Good morning, Standard 10 students. Now, in the previous class, I have already explained all the grievances, all the accusations, all the grudges, all the reasons for which Shylock has got against Antonio. The way Antonio has been treating him, the way Antonio has been insulting him, the way Antonio makes fun of his losses, how Antonio makes fun, when he gains, he criticizes, and then how he encourages his friends to go against Shylock. Then when Shylock's enemies, he would add more fuel to fire and make him hate Shylock all the more. Now these are the grievances, accusation, grudges, malice. These are the words that are used because the way Shylock has got so much grievances or grudge or malice against Antonio, the way Antonio has been treating him. Okay, so this is one of the differences between Shylock and Antonio. Now, Shylock reasons it out. So why is this man so much against me? The reason is because I am a Jew. So because I am a Jew, then you speak all negative things about me. You speak ill about me. You make fun of me. You insult me. You scorn my Jewish nation. Why? Because I am in Venice. Venice is a Christian-dominated country or state. And the Christians ill-treat these Jews because they consider them to be the reincarnation of the devil. Then he is speaking as if he is seeking for justice. Okay. Had not a Jew eyes? Do the Jews do not have eyes like the Christians? Had not a Jew hands, organs, dimension, senses, affections, passions? Are we different from the Christians? These Christians don't have the same qualities like us. Fed with the same food, hurt with the same weapon, subject to the same disease, healed by the same means, warmed and cooled by the same winter and summer, as a Christian is. Says whatever. So these are the similarities of a Christian and the Jew. He says, I have eyes, so does the Christian. I have hands, organs, dimensions, passion, everything like what a Christian has. So I eat the same food. I am hurt with the same weapon. There is no difference between me and a Christian. We are cured by the same medicine. We are affected by the same disease. If you tickle us, we will laugh. If you poison us, we will die. The same goes with the Christians. Okay. If you prick us, if you poke us, do we not bleed? If you tickle us, do we not laugh? If you poison us, do we not die? And if you wrong us, shall we not revenge? If we are like you in the rest, if we are just like you in all these, okay, we will resemble you in that. Okay. Since there are so many similarities between you and me, so we shall follow whatever you implement. And I will pay you back with the same coin. What you implement on me, I shall in return implement it on you. If a Jew wrong a Christian, what is his humility? Means what action will a Christian take if a Jew wrongs a Christian? Okay. Revenge. What will the Christian do? He will take out his revenge. Now, if a Christian wrongs a Jew, what should his sufferance be? By Christian example. So when a Jew wrongs a Christian, the Christian takes out his revenge. And now when a Christian wrongs a Jew, then how should the Jew react? Should he not follow the examples given by the Christians? Means, should I not take revenge? Okay. The villainy you teach me, I will execute. Says, whatever wrong you do to me, I will do or perform the same act. And it shall go hard, but I will better the instructions. Means I will pay you back double. Okay, if I have to take out my revenge, I will just not take my revenge. I will make sure that the revenge is very severe and it will hurt you more. I will execute it better than the way you will take out your revenge. So here we come to know how much Shylock hates the Christians. He says, though there are similarities between us, but the Christians don't accept us. They want to take out revenge. So I will also execute the same, and it shall go hard on the Christians. And we very well know that Shylock is a Jew, and the Christians believe that the Jews are the reincarnation of the devil, and Shylock being a cruel, shrewd, cunning, hard-hearted person. So when he says he's going to execute the same punishment, he's going to better it, means he's going to do something worse than what a Christian would do. Okay. So this is an important extract. Please understand it nicely when you watch the video. Now enter the servant. Gentlemen, my master Antonio is at his house and desires to speak with you both. Now remember, the servant comes in search of Celerino and Selenio. And these two friends are also looking forward for Antonio because they want to know whether any of Antonio's ship has been wrecked in the Goodwins. So they will also desperately want to meet Antonio, and Antonio in return also wants to meet his two friends. Celerino, we have been up and down to seek him. They were also searching for Antonio high and low. Okay, they were searching everywhere because they found it would be they wanted to share this piece of information about a ship from Venice that has been wrecked in the Goodwins. And that is why they want to meet Antonio now to be confirmed. Shylock has got no idea whatsoever about any of Antonio's ships. He only reacts to know that if Antonio has lost his ship and he is unable to pay the money, then what action he is going to take against him. Okay. Then Celerino, here comes another of the tribe. So while they were talking to the servant, because Antonio is wanting to meet Celerino and Selenio, just then Tubal, another Jew, had come. Her third cannot be matched unless the devil himself turn Jew. He says the third one cannot be matched. That means the devil himself. Because I told you the Christians consider the Jews as the reincarnation of the devil. And if two Jewish people are together, they put the real devil to shame. The real devil will feel afraid because these two Jews are more dangerous than the real devil. Now, exuent, when you hear the word exuent, means Selenio, Celerino, and the servant, they leave the stage. Exuent means these characters leave the stage. Now, who else is present now? Is here only Tubal and Shylock are on the stage. Okay? Because they may ask, who else is present with Shylock? Then only Tubal, another friend of Shylock, or another Jew. Because Celerino and Selenio and the servant, they have already left the stage. Okay. Now Tubal being a friend to Shylock, perhaps Shylock had sent him to go and search for his daughter. Shylock, how now, Tubal? What news from Genoa? Hast thou found my daughter? So now Shylock is asking, so Tubal, you have come from Genoa, okay, and did you find my daughter? That means they had come to know that Jessica was in Genoa, so Shylock immediately sent Tubal to go and search for her. Tubal, I often came where I did hear of her. So wherever I heard that Jessica was in Genoa, or Jessica was here, Jessica was there, I would go straight away to find her. But cannot find her. But I failed to find her. Wherever I heard she was, I went there immediately, but before I could reach, she had already left. Shylock, please listen to this very carefully, okay? Why there, a diamond gone? Cost me 2,000 ducats in Frankfurt. Now when you cannot find my daughter, see the way it's written. Shylock is saying, gone. You cannot find my daughter means you cannot find the wealth, the precious stones, the jewelry, and the money she is carrying with her. So now he is regretting or feeling sad. You cannot find my daughter means gone my diamond, which had costed me 2,000 ducats. Okay. The curse never fell upon my nation till now. I will keep it till here, okay. And I will be sending you the rest of the notes in your group. So please do that for homework. Thank you.